This video is brought to you from one agency far north. 1238 Fern Flat Road offers the perfect balance of natural beauty, off-grid living and future potential. This 12-hectare lifestyle block is truly a rural paradise, offering a peaceful and private environment with a real sense of space and freedom. Set within a diverse landscape of stunning native bush and grazing pasture, this 30-acre rural treasure features the beautiful Te Kowhai Creek meandering through the rear of the property, and there's a natural spring in the nearby wetlands, both providing future water supply. Currently grazing 2 horses and 2 cattle, the land is well suited to lifestyle farming with the potential to graze up to approximately 12 cattle. A formed driveway leads to a sunny, elevated cabin, which has been set up for off-grid living with solar panels and a separate solar shed with power, and a separate outhouse with rural views. The existing unconsented cabin is positioned to capture the wide rural views across rolling countryside and offers an open-plan kitchen, dining and living area and 2 separate bedrooms, one with shower, making it an ideal weekend escape or a base while planning your future build. This is a rare opportunity to secure a versatile off-grid lifestyle block in a beautiful part of the far north. A geotech report has identified a suitable building platform for a tiny home, a rural homestead, or a removable home. To help buyers visualize the potential, a concept build using design by Arcline Architecture has been created. Council consents and final district plan guidelines apply. This stunning lifestyle property is centrally located between Kaeo, Whangaroa Harbour, Taipa and Mongamuka. To view, contact me. Leonie Matia, one agency, far north.